Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to make Google Maps Panorama. So let's dive right in. First, record a panorama video from your mobile, as all the mobile phones have this built-in feature. Once you record a 360 video, head over to www.google.com/streetview/contribute and follow the instructions for uploading your panorama. The link is provided in the description. You can upload directly from your phone or computer. Simply click on the Upload button in the top left corner. Then, click on Select 360 video files. After that, choose the 360 video that you have recorded with your mobile. Choose the location where you want your panorama to appear on Google Maps. Add a title and description. Submit your panorama for review. There you have it. With these steps and a little practice, you'll be creating amazing Google Maps panoramas in no time. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.